This crazy cat is kneading my stomach. Do I need kneading or what? What are you doing? What's the purpose? Are you trying to get the air bubbles out of my stomach? Huh? I don't know what he's doing. What are you doing? Jack! Huh? What is it that you want? Huh? What? What do you want? What is it that you want? Jackie. Jackie. Jack. Mr. Jack. It's crazy. I don't know what he's doing. He's doing something crazy. What are you doing? Before he had his paw right here on my face. All right. Tell him bye. Oh, no. He's doing something else now. What are you doing? What are you doing? Don't step on my boobs. Jack. Ow. You're scratching me. Mister, what are you doing? Mister, look in the camera, say, hello, my name is Jack. J-A-C-K, Jack. What are you doing? Jack. Jack? What are you doing? Jack? Hmm? What are you doing? You got hair in my face. Okay.